Good morning, students. Myself is Vivek Kumar Sakya, and you are welcome in Vivek Sir Study Point and online classes of Saint Tumor Inter College. Dear students, today we are going to talk about a new topic, Lorentz force. Means the force on the moving charge on a uniform magnetic field. Definition of B means definition of magnetic field. When a moving charge is moving in a uniform magnetic field and the force realizing or feeling or the force is called Lorentz force. A charge is moving on a magnetic field experiences a deflecting force means जब कोई चार्ज मैग्नेटिक फील्ड में मूव करता है यूनिफॉर्म मैग्नेटिक फील्ड में तो उसके ऊपर एक फोर्स वर्क करता है दैट इज परपेंडिकुलर टू द इट्स moving direction. The charge is moving through the point experiencing a deflecting force. Then the magnetic field is said to be the exist at that point. This field is denoted by the vector quantity B vector called the magnetic field or the magnetic inductions. B is defined as vector B is defined as the terms of the force experienced by the charge moving in the electric field moving in the magnetic field and if the particle is carrying positive charge q and moving with the velocity v and through the point p in a magnetic field experience a deflecting force F that is perpendicular to the moving direction of the charge particle. Then the magnetic field B at a point P is defined as the equation. So the force is called Lorentz force. Means we can say that if a positive charge is moving in a uniform magnetic field, then it experiences a perpendicular force means it experience a force that is perpendicular to the direction of its moving, and this force is called Lorentz force because it is first of all defined by the scientist Lorentz. So according to his name it is addressed as Lorentz force. The force F equals to QV cross B. QV cross B because it is a vector quantity. So it is used to vector product. Means therefore the force on the charged particle is perpendicular to the plane V and B. Its sense is the determined as the right hand स्क्रू रूल यानी राइट हैंड स्क्रू रूल से इसकी डायरेक्शन हम लोग फाइंड कर सकते हैं of the vector product. When the moving charge is a positive direction F is the directed of the advanced right hand screw whose axis is perpendicular to the plane formed by B and F and which is rotate from V to B, and direction of F will be opposite to the direction of advance of the screw if the charge is negative but it is moving in the same direction. Means if a positive charge is moving in a uniform magnetic field, then it experiences a force on it that direction is perpendicular to the its moving direction. So it is called Lorentz force, we have told many times. So if they are perpendicular to each other, so F equals to QVB sin theta and sin 90 equals to 1. So F equals to QVB. F equals to QVV, where theta is angle between V and B and theta equals to 90. So F maximum force working or acting between the V and मीन्स मैक्सिमम फोर्स V एंड B, यानी कि जो चार्ज पार्टिकल है उसमें कितना फोर्स एक्ट होगा, तो F मैक्सिमम QVV. If a charge particle moves along the direction of, मैंने उसी डायरेक्शन में, किस में, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड के डायरेक्शन में चले, देन मीन्स इट इज पैरेलल टू द एक्सिस ऑफ द charge particle and magnetic field both having the same direction, then they are called parallel. Then in that condition theta equals to 0 degree. So F minimum force means F equals to QVV sin 0. Sin 0 means 0, or so F equals to 0. So acting force on the charge particle is 0. ठीक है ना? I hope you understand. And finally, thanks for watching all full video. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel and share to your friends and other school of your friend.